The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, man, you know where I watch?
Dance Make somebody tell you about me. You can't manage me.
You need to leave.
Terrible.
You need to leave. If you
you have
don't
to
hit
tell
me
me
in
that.
front of my son, get the fuck out of here.
You see?
Yo, we get down. We can't borrow them.
Yeah, you need to go.
Simple.
Go.
Can't deal with them.
But if you gonna
You're
wanna
blood clot man.
come up to my son,
Are you man that?
I don't care a fuck what you want to
Yeah,
say.
that's
Yes,
cool.
I'm a man.
Yeah.
Me not give
Put
him
the
a
palm in
evidence
and
for
see it mash it up
nobody.
in your face.
You need to
Put the
go.
palm in now.
I'm calling security.
Put the palm in there
David.
now.
David, call the security.
Put the palm in there now.
You gotta leave.
Yo, I want you have a leave too. What are we
You gotta leave.
What?
You gotta leave.
It's not the right thing to do right now, man.
He don't belong
You better buy a
here.
bus
Right.
ticket and never leave.
You need to go.
Yeah? Do what you do now. Come back like a drama on the one.
You need to leave.
Whatever. What are we left out of stuff?
Seriously.
Yeah? Cause security.
And don't underestimate people.
Yo, don't underestimate them. I said everybody have to leave.
Don't underestimate people.
Underestimate what?
Cause you don't know me like that.
Wait a second, I don't know you like
You
that.
don't know me like that.
Eh?
You don't know me like
I
that.
don't know you like that. What do you
You ain't no fuck about me.
No, fuck you and
You
what
understand? My blood clot sit down in a Rikers Island already.
This is not
You
it.
understand? No, man, lose it. No, to mash up in blood clot. Move, David. No, move. No, move. No,
I'm
move.
not going to put my
Pussy boy, me sit down in a Rikers Island. Pussy boy, me sit down in a Rikers Island. You understand? Your blood clot know me. What the blood clot you know about me? You don't know me, you know? Me fuck you up. Hold this, David. Put your blood clot on back on me, son.
Back up.
Put your blood clot on back on me.
This is mom. No.
Hold on.
Calm down.
This
Calm down.
pussy.
He didn't put his
What you
hand
know
on you. Calm
about
down.
me?
Call.
You ever have unfucked by your blood clot foot as a female?
Relax.
You understand? What the blood clot you know about me?
I've been a female, been too more than that.
Go and fucking check my police record,
down.
pussy. Check my police record.
Yo, that's
You
what
feel
I'm
say you are the baddest
saying.
blood
You're lying,
clot.
bitch.
What the blood clot you know about me?
You're lying. Bully.
David,
Back up.
David,
No.
back off.
No.
You know about July people? You keep fucking with me, fucking with me, and then lick your blood clot out.
Madam me.
What you know about July
Yeah, that.
people?
January me ban.
Move, David.
It's not
Come here, I'm gonna
enough,
knock out
enough.
him blood clot.
Enough is enough.
I'm gonna knock out your pussy with this. David, just see it like this. A two-away and a one
You have a
away.
best step to
The
make.
two-away jump on your blood clot and kick
But
the
hey,
fuck
I line
out
that
of
shit
you.
up. I line that shit up. I go hard.
He's nothing but a
I
pussy.
go hard.
The pussy face
I line that shit up,
Colin.
man.
Pussy face
I line up
nigga.
this nigga, Anwar.
Pussy
Right.
face
I'm telling my
nigga.
nigga.
One like you so
Yeah,
fucking
nigga.
bad.
Yeah.
Motherfucker don't want to go back to jail.
So why
You
you-
understand?
why you trying to
So
get
he
your son
just
to fight
running
me?
up his fucking
Why you
mouth.
telling your son to fight me?
You understand? If I even to take the lamp and bust your blood clot head.
Did I do
You
something
assume.
wrong?
You assume.
Watching me on this pussy. I run up your mouth and go on like say your blood clot bad. You know the family where I come from, pussy hole. Want some hard for looking me now blood clot head.
Colin, you need to calm down. For real.
No man, me need a run back. That pussy I know say, him have to run from enough time. And even Garden Hotel, me take a run back and lick down in blood clot.
Calm down. Colin, it's none of my business.
I'm asking you.
I'm out of this, bro. I told you. I told
Bro,
you.
I'm asking you.
I told
Something,
you.
You
man.
talking about the girl that told me
And not me, I'm gonna knock out this pussy hole. You go like him have enough mouth.
Listen, please.
Is she attractive?
Colin, you're not.
Lick me, I go lick him in a blood clot.
Yo, you know, so the thing down there still a why.
That's it.
Relax yourself, babe. That's enough.
That's it. Mom, do what you gotta do. You wanna call
No,
security?
no, me fuck him up.
That's it. There's no more.
The last time you called security guard at the hotel, when me broke the blood clot back line, you see the other side of me.
Relax yourself. You're a mix up your round.
That's it.
Why you ever tell me say your son tell you?
Bro, that's
What
it,
you
bro.
expect?
I continue.
That's it.
I swear me, I gonna knock you out.
That's it. Mom, come over here.
I'm asking you a question.
I've had enough of this pussy
Why you lie
hole.
on your son?
Bro.
I had enough of your bitch.
I've had enough of your pussy clot. Come. You bad, come.
That's it.
Last year, which police are gonna lock me up? Them quick have to lock you up. Cause number one, trespassing.
Right, but you're wrong.
Niggas don't be playing like that, my nigga. Why would she tell me you all night? All night. David this, David told me that. That's some pussy shit, bro.
Enough I am.
But look, I said what I said. Just that's
it.
it.
Put your hand on my son. Me kill your bomber clock.
That's it.
Put
No
your
more.
hand on my son.
No more.
Me good up, son.
No more.
Me can't get a million, man. You understand? But guess what? This is my son. So I'm not gonna make you disrespect my son.
That's it.
I don't care fuck. But guess what? This will always be the man in my life. So you fuck with him, you fuck with me.
That's it.
My son David. My son David. You think I'm gonna put you before my son?
You're not a good mother. That's why you put him in this shit right now.
No.
You're not a good mother. That's why you put him in this shit right now.
Look who's talking that disown his kids.
Look
who's talking.
Look what you put him through right now.
Look who's talking.
I'm in the bathroom. I heard you telling him, oh,
look who's
you scared of
talking.
him? I'm like, what the fuck?
I'm scared of you.
That's what you told him.
You can walk up in my son's face.
That's it.
Move,
No.
Move it.
No.
Move it.
I would never put you in this position.
Move it.
No. Colin, just get your stuff, bro. That's it. No, I'm done.
Move.
That's it. No.
Move. And then the anger me I use for you. Me don't see what me I gonna use for you right now.
This is not right. It's not cool. Too much drama.
I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you. I don't have no fucking camera on you. And me I have my camera for witness. Cause me I gonna fuck you up. And me I gonna show why.
Mom, I'm not putting you in this position. Sit
David,
down,
what you doing is wrong.
Collins, please pack your stuff.
That's
it.
We're gonna call
That's
security. Well, everybody I get kicked out.
That's it. That's it.
You come from vacation with them, motherfucker. I wanna come for you. Eh? You can't tear me a blood clot.
Shut the fuck up.
Can't tear
I'm
me.
tired of your blood
Me
clot.
tired of you two and you two are now.
Shut the fuck
You
up.
understand me? That me I tell you.
That's it.
Yeah? Drama fucking queen.
That's it.
Still now blood clot get rich. No way. I get rich before you. Watch.
That's it.
Watch out. Still can't get rich on me.
Oh my God, what I talking?
Time blood clot waste that.
And you see them pussy I run up them out. Don't afraid of them.
Run up.
Don't afraid of
Action
them.
pack, yeah? I feel like a joke then. Can take care of myself with these.
David might not slap you, but you know me slap the fuck out of
What are you
you.
saying?
You know that.
Yo, don't slap me. I'm gonna get punches. I'm gonna take slap. Bitches
Always
get slapped.
run like a bitch.
slap a
Security
bitch.
guard, security guard. Amari do this, Amari do that.
Are you just about
So
about
we
security?
Are you run for security guard at Eden
You just
Garden?
about for security, little
Run
man.
for security guard
Yeah,
when
me
the
never
block the
put my hand on
champagne
you
back
yet.
of them
Me
for
never
your
yet
blood
put my hand on you
clots.
though. But you rather run for security.
That's it.
Tell people when me put my hand on you.
That's it.
Eh?
Me not gonna allow that. Me lick down your blood clot.
But when me ever try to play.
That's it. Colin.
Brother, just stop talking.
I
You know,
understand.
right now, you know,
Mom.
you why me come here, sir. You
Mom.
know, I tell you.
You-
And you are
listen.
just Bill and
Right,
you, sir.
right, but
all I
there's
see
no
the
more.
way
You've been
you can't tell
disrespecting my
me
mom
now.
too much, bro.
Alright, so
I
I'm not gonna
understand.
come on. I'm not gonna come on. Where you gonna do?
That's it.
Where you gonna do? Eh? We're not gonna come out. I tell you that right now.
Put it
Hold
down.
on, mom.
Brother,
Relax.
we're not gonna come out. You have
Relax.
someone now? We'll buy the ticket then.
Colin.
If you can put me around, you must want to hold out about. You want to hold out about
Too close, bro.
The boy a drunk or something?
Come on, fam.
Move, David. Come on, tell the way. Let me turn around for sure and deal with this.
You and I.
Yo.
David,
Come on, fam.
But look,
David, hold on.
you on me.
Let me come off of
Come on,
the...
fam.
You on me.
Leave the kidnap old man. Leave the kid alone now. You're a big rasta man, you know. Leave the kid alone now. Leave him alone. You could have been father.
So he not
Leave
no
him
respect.
alone. Leave the kid alone. Leave him alone.
I see them going, I see them
You
going.
really want to beat up my
Why more
child?
beat him up? Are you blood clot put
Come
him in
on,
a
time
problem?
face.
Oh, nine face.
Come on, time face.
Eh?
You old the old man. You're not 40
Yo,
years
brother, tell the
old.
man love me. Cause I'm going like him a big man.
Where
You
trouble
know your
the young
position,
man
though.
for?
You have to know your position.
Relax.
You're there on some pussy thing.
David, don't try to make peace.
You're there on the act like a
David,
big man.
try not to make no
Push the
peace.
farm.
You want a man?
Why you pushing me?
Is he drunk or
How
something?
can I jump? Take your foot off from me now, babe.
Lord, my son, yo.
You see me a trouble? Yo, B, you see me a trouble? Take your foot off from me now, babe. Take your foot off from me.
No, man, me
Take your foot off
personally
of me.
want to
Take
teach
your
him
foot
a
off
lesson
from me.
and left him with a
You don't pay
mark.
for nothing.
Relax.
You don't pay for nothing.
Relax.
You understand?
Where you trouble the youth
Yeah,
for?
come on, talk about. Pick up phone.
Move, David. David, hold on, let me come off alive.
Yeah, that.
Right.
Ain't you ready for me yet? You can play your position, nigga.
David, go sit
You
down.
wanna act like
Mom,
you
stop.
wanna act like this all you want. You're not a boss, no man.
I
You wanna be a
understand.
boss.
I'm a protector.
But from what?
Common.
From what?
From you putting your hands on her.
From what?
From you putting your hands on her.
Eh?
You
Where you
can't
protect
touch
her
me.
from? Where you protect her from? Never ask me to put me on
I'm not afraid of him.
When?
This is putting hands on
Nigga, take that
right.
bumbo cloth out of my face. I'll do the same shit again. Don't put the camera up on me.
David,
Mom,
Yo, David.
relax.
Grow up, nigga.
I'm here.
Grow up, nigga.
did you just hit my
Grow
son?
up.
No, Mom.
Grow up, my nigga. Grow up.
Look, Colin, you and
Grow up, bro. You
Colin.
acting like a little child, bro. I can't believe this shit.
No.
You're 25-year-old, bro.
24. But
You're
listen,
24-year-old, bro.
you don't need to be up in my
Why would
mom's
you
face
shit?
like that.
What this is? Listen. If
What
you
did
tell
I
your mama
say?
Something,
What
bro,
did I say?
If you tell your mama something about another bitch, what you think gonna happen, nigga?
Who said that? You did not say.
You think I'm a lady
You're
and
saying
let
the
her
same
talk
thing.
like
You're
it's true when
saying
it's
the
not
same
true?
thing. You're
It's
saying
not
the
true.
same thing. You're saying the
It's
same
not
thing.
true,
I
bro.
tell you
not
that the
listening.
girl that you were
Well, why you
looking
lying
is
like
a
that? How
goodie.
you got it?
That's it.
How you
That's
got
it.
it?
That's it.
I'm already master. How you got it?
I said the girl you were fucking looking is a
That's it.
goodie.
How did you get in
That's
it?
She contact me
That's it.
and tell
How
me.
did he
That's
get
it.
in it?
That's it.
She contact
You're
me.
a liar. How did he
That's
get
it.
in it? How did he get in it?
That's it.
That's nothing, nigga. Sit your ass down, nigga.
No.
Be a man.
Mom,
No.
That's what you gonna do,
I need
nigga.
mom.
That's it.
That's what you gonna do. Nigga.
You should
man.
have. You should just listen.
Nah, listen nothing.
Right.
You can't
Look at the girl. Look at the other girl. You go tell you got problems.
Who's that girl? Me go tell
And you didn't know she's
I
a
asked her
goodie
about
too.
something when I want to eat. What is wrong with you?
And he never know she a goodie too. And
I asked the girl
we
about
coming up
something
in the
I want to eat. What are you talking
elevator.
about?
We coming up in the elevator and the girl never see me. So the girl said to him, say, you alright now?
Why?
And then the girl see me and say, what my Mary?
Why
And
she
she never
ask me
know
for
say it's
Mary?
a goodie and got to go complain
So
to.
what? When me go complain to her, say. I asked her to carry me to the give Jim the lock.
No.
What you talk about?
She said, if you're alright
So what that
now.
mean? What that mean?
You say you had a problem and she solved it. And
I'm sitting there
you,
talking about it like you.
but
That's
guess
not
what?
nice. You must see me and post picture.
You must be shocked for know say so much people know me. You must be fucking shocked.
Living in an internet world.
I look my own goodies. And things say them now go tell me.
What? So you telling me it's gonna be a chaos again, you know? Cause when I see that lady, I'm gonna make sure if I ask her if she did tell you say me I look her. And that just a little while. You see you love mix
Did I
up.
say that?
You love mix up. Just like you come
Oh,
and
the
tell me
brownie.
fucking night. David say this, David say that. And then you sit there and tell David, oh, you're afraid of him? And now you switch it back and say you never said that shit. Man, listen. Don't want to clown, man. You understand? Straight.
That's it.
Straight clown.
That's it.
That's what. That's what. How?
Oh God.
That's what.
Colin, you're not listening.
That's what.
You're not listening.
No, brother, cause you never said nothing. You never said nothing.
You didn't let me come to you. You didn't let me.
David, just stop.
Listen, bro.
Stop,
Alright,
David.
listen.
David, just stop. Don't try to explain nothing to
Mom,
him. He's
relax. I'm
drunk.
talking to Colin. We
24-year-old.
good. Me and Colin, we good.
You got this ego
Right.
thing going
It's
on,
no
bro.
ego. You just
got
have to listen.
bro. I got you. You got this ego thing going
No.
on. Oh, mom, I can't go here good. You got this ego thing
No.
going on, bro.
Right.
And I see it. I can't work with it, nigga.
It's
I'm
no
40.
ego.
You 24.
It's no ego. It's no
Nigga,
ego.
You 24.
It's no ego. It's
Nigga.
no ego.
And I show you I can get with you, 40-year-old nigga.
Right.
Hard, nigga.
Right. Right.
Yo, find out about me, you know, yo. Dangerous you can't deal with, you know. Find out.
Right.
Dangerous you
Right.
can't deal with.
I'm only have strength for you.
Viewers and subscribers, the video that I just presented to you, it's out on social media with different type of things being said about this video, you see me? And you see me, you know, I'm the kind of person, I'm not going to just assume and jump to conclusions and say certain things about this video or what had happened in this video or so forth. No, I'm not going to do that, you know? So I'm going to tell you some things about this video, you know? I'm going to tell you how I understand some things that have been said about this video on social media and according to some things that happened in this video that I just presented to you, alright? Now the video that I just presented to you shows a person who goes by the name of Amari on social media, you see me? Now on social media, some comments have been made about this video that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Amari is having a relationship problem. And I look at this video, viewers and subscribers, and I also got the understanding that this video shows a confrontation between Amari and a man, and her son got involved, you see me? And I'm talking about Amari's son got involved. You see me? Now, when I said that Amari's son got involved, it would seem as if he's trying to protect his mom. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, as a son, you see me? I mean, any son out there, well, I can't say any son or every son, you see me? But a lot of sons out there, they're not going to sit and watch a man abuse their mother. No, they're not going to do that. You understand? Yeah, so big up and respect to that person, you know. Big up and respect to her son for that. Yes, what I'm saying to you, yeah. So it seems as if he tried to keep the situation under certain control, you see me? Now, the reason why I said that this video shows a confrontation between Amari and a man, you see me, is because I do not have any information if this man is her husband or just her boyfriend, you see me? And I'm not going to assume who this person be to Amari and so on. You see me? I'm not going to assume what type of relationship Amari is in with this person. You understand? So something happened between Amari and this man. You see me? According to some of the things that Amari had said, it seems as if she's saying that this man made a pass at a woman. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm only telling you according to how I understand some of the things that had been said in this video and according to some of the things that had been said on social media. You see me? But anyways, this video is out on social media. It's being talked about on social media. So I bring this video to you so that you can have a look at this video. You can also tell me what you think. You see me? Yeah, and you know, I think it's best I leave it right there. You see me? Yeah, so big up and respect to you, Amari. Big up and respect to Amari's son. And I have some left it. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.